Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Tuesday, the 19th of March. Starting off with Aurora, and here you can see that things are cooling off a bit like most of the cryptos at the moment, but we're still on that broken resistance line there from back in December. That's around $1.19. If we can stay above that, then we could at least have a retest of the $1.50 area, which is basically post-December resistance. Best case scenario here up to $2, but obviously we keep failing at $1.50. That's less likely. We are encouraged though by the rising 50-day line at $1.09. Moving on to one of the cryptos which has been a frequent flyer here, and probably see from the chart, Dimitra. We managed to hit our first target there around 11 cents, second one around 19, and we can upgrade that now to up to 25 or 26 cents, which is the upper parallel of the second target there that we have there for this market. Upside valid really while we're above the 15 cents area, so above 15, look at 25 really on Dimitra as a best case. Moving on to another situation which looks as though it's got legs at the moment. Here we've got Komodo, which is bouncing at and above the rising 50-day line. That's normally a good sign, and suggests that we shouldn't be too surprised if this market heads up to 45 cents, hopefully by the end of this month, which is the top of a rising June 2023 trend channel, only back below that 50-day line, really delaying the upside scenario, as we've already had several bounces of old resistance becoming new support. Next up is a name which we've covered before quite a few times here, I think, LTO Network, and here you can see why we've got a rising trend channel there. The rising trend channel from back basically the end of November. Haven't quite hit our the top of our rising trend channel there, just missed it today and yesterday, but we're looking for 19 cents, especially while we remain above the 15 cents area, basically the resistance on the way up just before the breakout. Beautiful chart coming up next in the form of Mantra, and here you can see that we managed to hit quite an optimistic target there. Wide rising trend channel was basically a guess where the market would go to, so 68 cents. Above 68, we can go for a new leg to the upside, maybe as high as $1.20 by the end of next month, while we're above the I suppose the mid-70s, really low to mid-70s, basically today's support for that market. Next up is a new name to, at least to me, and maybe a few other people as well. Here we've got a Nimic, and here you can see a rising trend channel that's been in place since basically last summer. Top of the channel there, heading towards the 2.25 cents area, and that's valid for the end of this month, while we remain above the 50-day moving average around 1.5 cents at the moment. Moving on to another bouncing situation, which hopefully will keep bouncing. Pro-P, here you can see that looks like we're in a mid-move consolidation above old resistance there at 91 cents. Looking for a break of this. I suppose it's a bull flag triangle as well, in fact. But the guess there is at the top of the channel there as high as $1.96, and we're looking for that by the end of next month. Obviously, we'll find out if we can break through the 1.30s there, $1.30 plus, to get to the $2 area on the hopefully by the end of this week. Moving along to less volatile situation, but one which may be of interest, Ribbon Finance. Here you can see with this rising trend channel, we hit the top of the channel there around $1.90 a few days ago, and the view at the moment is that while we're above the $1.20 area, 2-day support, we're looking for a retest of the $1.90 area, hopefully by the end of next month or even sooner. Next up is a market which is also new, and here we've got Swarm. The picture here is sort of a U-shaped turnaround, nice consolidation above a rising 50-day line. Top of the channel there, heading for $1, and we're looking for $1 perhaps as soon as the end of next month if we can stay above the mid-50s in cents terms. A market which is also looking like it's on the front foot at the moment is Viberate, and here bouncing off the floor of that wide rising trend channel, the floor there around the 8 cents level. Above that, looking for as high as 20 cents by the end of next month, although you can see some long candles there, so a bit of selling coming in there towards the 10 cents zone. On to the last two. First one is Veritize, and here you can see that we managed to a sort of we've got a very, very volatile market, but managed to sort of cling either side of the 50-day moving average. That's currently around the 8 cents level. That's our near-term target while we remain above the 4.25 cents level, which is basically March and January support for this market. Finishing off with a bit of a bang, one chain, and here you can see that we've got this wide rising trend channel from back in August. Top of the channel there heading for 36 or 37 cents, hopefully by the end of next month, while we remain above the 25 cents area, which is the 50-day line and the floor of that channel. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.